everybody, I will making banana butchi. So I put banana to banana because we have banana medyo sobrang hinog na. So I will make it para hindi siya masira. So tansya-tansya lang guys. Why I mix in the okay, no problem. Tansya lang. Tapos I put baking 1/4 of little bit. Tapos I put milk. Our milk is Amcor. And then I will mix it. Flour, banana. I think it's my ano is small. So I will change. I will put it here so it can massage very well. So this one I will make it like this. And then the banana is mashed now. I will put the egg. One egg, I use one egg. I will mash of it again. And then I will add sugar. I don't like a lot sugar. I don't like sugary. So I just put half of this. Because the banana is already sweet, you know. And then yes, I will add a little bit because it's very. And then I will compress this one in the fridge. After that, so it's very this one only guys. I didn't put sugar. I didn't put it water because the banana and the egg it's doing watering. So no need to put it guys. Okay. And now it's very nice mixed texture. And now guys, we're going to fry. So we're going to fry in the frying pan. So okay, this one. How can you standing forever? So I think it's gonna be can't be can't be. So yan, we're doing to fry na. We'll open the light. Fire is open. See, it's open on the fire. Oil coming. oil is coming. Okay, we will make it hot first. We will make it hot first. I will remove this so you can see. I will prepare the plate with tissue. Yes, it's fire. Make hot. And make also salt. You know, yeah. So you put now. I will try it hot. No, not yet. Not yet hot. So, magchika muna tayo. Yung saging kasi guys is over rough. Okay? Yung it's very hinog na guys. It's very hinog na, so my madam is telling me I throw it away, bring it in the trash. I tell no, I will cook that because inside it's not yet broke. Just only the skin. It's in the skin. It's a black, but inside it's a white. It's combination, right? Black and white. So I cook it. So yeah, I cook butchi. See? Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. It's very sticky. Birds tickling. It's tickling. It's sticky. Oh no, it's creamy. It's sticky. Oi, it's very sticky. Yeah, it's very sticky. So we put the fire. It's slow because quickly. Agoy, come out the oil. The oil is going to outside. Agoy. Yeah, it's so yummy. There you go. It's very nice. Must the fire, it's slow, yeah. So yes. I need to make it kahwan, but not yet. It's 4 o'clock. I will make it kahwan. Ay, you know, Maria, napagod. It's burning. It's burning a little bit. But it's okay. Inside my stomach, it's gonna burn. It's gonna burn my stomach. So, as you can see guys, bilat ko. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Ito yung ginawa kong soup. Yes. I make it slow the fire while you're going to burn it. What? Na-burn na siya. It's vulnerable. Ayan ang aking butchi. Uy. It's very sticky. At yan na guys, dalawa na lang na itira. Ayan na guys, yung natira is naging burn. It's burn free. Ayun. It's going to burn na naman yung dalawa. I make it slow. The fire, yeah, the fire is slow already. But why it's burning? So, ayan na guys, ang luto. Hintayin natin. Very yummy. Yummy. Timpla tayo ng tea. Kaya masarap yan sa tea. It's burning. It's a burning day. So it's a burning, but it's okay. So at yan na guys ang ating cooked product. It's burn, but it's okay. It's yummy. Crunchy, ah. Masarap sa loob. Burn. Hindi naman as in burn. Chocolate. Green tea. Ito lang yung almusal ko, hindi pa ako nag-almusal. Nagising ako kanina. Ang kape lang ako. Tapos, hindi ako kumain. Kape lang. Kasi nagtrabaho na ako agad kasi yung linis ako. Naglinis ako dun sa kabila. Kaya, lapit ng bayang id. Both side. Sa baba, kahapon. Doon na naman sa kabila. Hindi ako nakapag-video. Dapat mag-video kanina pero I'm not in the mood to making video there. I'm not in the mood. That's why nothing. That's why halas. I remember her banana. It's yummy. Even burn a little bit, but it's yummy because crunchy. It's you can feel it. Crunchy. You can feel the banana, the milk, the egg. I didn't put water. This is pure. And this one is stay. Fancy. Hmm? You know, guys, I feel sleepy. My my one eyeglass, I don't know where I put it. The blue eyeglasses, because I have two eyeglass. Actually, I have three. You know that? I have three eyeglasses. But actually, this one is not. Don't have a grade, just reading glass. You know? Yeah. I have three because the one is broken. Yeah, it's broke here. The one it's expensive, but it's quickly broke. I don't know. This one is I'm buying. My husband together. We buy there in Bata. We buy this is 50 real. So the money it's 600 plus. Yeah. But the one quickly broke it. My madam buy it, but we go together because I choose what I want, the style. So she buy it is 130 real, I think so. No, or 150 real, but almost 2,000 that one, because nice that one is because have hairstyle, have diamante near here. It's very nice, but it's very thin. This one, it's very thin. It's quickly to broke it. You know that it's broke, cut. Two times she bring it the the where she bring in the boutique no hardware, yeah, hardware, right? To mention this one hardware, huh? Yeah, to bring it there to fix it. She again she take it, again broke it, again take it, again broke it. For the last she didn't make it. She buy it another one. That blue. I use sometimes that blue color here because she had a blue this one. This one is blue, this one black. Because she make it the same my mobile it's blue. Yeah. Mm, that's right. So it's yummy. Tomorrow I will make it diet. I eat now. I eat now a lot because tomorrow I will make it start to diet. Yeah. Cheers. Very yummy. So for today I will make it kahwa. I will not put the eyeglasses. I'm so bothered. So bothered for me how that, but I should to use it because you know if I cook the steam of the food, it must be not come in my eyes because it's make it for me worse, you know. It's worse for my eyes because my eyes some I don't know what's the name this one. This is not cataract. The another one. I forget the name, but it's not cataract. You know, the cataract it's make it operation, but this one it's make it kahig kahig. Let's say what's that lens only that make like that. Yeah, it's quickly. But this kind of sick it must be less for for steam, for for mm, that 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 the air that dirty. What's the name? Crab. I don't know. I forget. And yeah, must be careful. Must be put cover it. That's why I have eyeglasses. And for radiation of the mobile, I must cover my eyes, so the radiation is not not direct in my eyes. Yeah, that's why. But sometimes I feel bothered, you know, because yeah, that's it. I bothered. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell so you can notify when I make it upload. Mm, this is my life of OFW in Saudi Arabia. And thanks God, I have madam very mabait. So I'm working here for them is almost 6 years, going to 6 years. Yeah, because they are good for me. Yeah, they're good. That's why I come back. But this time I will not come back because I'm tired. I want to rest with my kids. Yeah, this is I go home for good na guys. Inshallah, God's give me bliss. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.